Hey everybody, this is Brianna with Nature News Reporting, and today I'm going to show you my yard after Hermina, the tropical storm, went through. Basically, what just happened was a lot of rain and some wind. Everything's really soggy. You can see there's puddles everywhere. Here's more puddles. There's a couple limbs that fell down. After all of the storms went through, we got over 4 inches of rain. So everything's going to be soggy for a little while until it gets up to 90 and it dries out. So, anyways, I'm going to show you some more puddles. Stepping on some crunchy pecans that fell. Now the sun's coming out after it rained again. The grass seems to enjoy it. This is Brianna with Nature News, showing you some of the puddles. Signing off. Newsflash, everybody. It just started raining again. And I think you can hear it. It's raining pretty hard. You can see it coming off the roof. Even more puddles are starting to appear. Well, here it is, more rain from the storm Hermina. Suppose this is what's left over after it went through. Just lots and lots of rain. Well, I'm going to go back where it's dry. This is Brianna signing off again.